In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Hubstaff. Whether you're managing a team or organizing your personal tasks, Hubstaff's project management feature can be a great tool to increase your productivity and efficiency. Let's take a closer look at how you can set up a project in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you're logged into your Hubstaff account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see the navigation panel. Here, you want to find and click on the Project Management tab. This is your entry point to organize various projects, manage tasks, and keep things streamlined within Hubstaff, bringing all your projects under one roof for easy access. After clicking on Project Management, you should now see an overview of all existing projects within your organization. If you're new to Hubstaff or just getting started, this list might be empty, and that's perfectly fine. What you want to do next is head to the upper right corner of the screen, where you will see an Add Project button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is essential as it's your gateway to begin defining and customizing new projects that cater to your specific needs and goals. Once you have clicked Add Project, a new window or form will appear, prompting you to enter some key details about your new project. Here, you'll need to type in your project name. It's important to choose a project name that is both descriptive and concise. This name will help you and your team easily identify the project and is crucial for keeping everyone aligned with the project's objectives. Be sure to think about what encapsulates the essence of your project best so everyone involved can instantly recognize it just by the title. With your project name entered, the final step is to save your new project. Find the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the form, and click it. This action will store your project details and officially add the project to your Hubstaff workspace. Once saved, your new project should appear under the Projects list, ready for task additions, time tracking, and more. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your work organized and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. And there you have it, a brand new project created in Hubstaff ready to help you streamline your tasks and improve productivity. Remember, setting up a project is just the beginning. From here, you can explore additional features such as assigning tasks, setting deadlines, and monitoring progress to truly harness Hubstaff's capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy project planning.